Hello there. This video is going to walk you through the process of POS setup for redeeming your reward points. In this demo, we will be using the Global Acceleris Android-enabled POS. However, these steps are similar to all POS and PTSP providers. Here's how to redeem points. From the homepage of whatever POS you're using,
Select Pay.
select Purchase. Select Purchase again. Input the amount and select Pay. Select ThankUCash as your payment option. Follow the prompt and enter the details. Cashier code. This is a unique code to each cashier. Customer phone number. On the option to select cash, card, or ThankUCash, select ThankUCash. Follow the prompts. Input customer unique ThankUCash PIN. Enter redeem amount. That's it. Transaction successful. If your points are not sufficient, no worries. You can both redeem and pay the balance with cash or card. Just select a redeemable amount. The POS will automatically calculate the balance and ask you to select another payment method. Select card or cash. Input your customer PIN and you are done. To reset your PIN, dial the USSD code *347*100#.